last time we have started the rectification of error point in unit 1 introduction of partnership. Last time we have calculated the example related with profit and loss sharing ratio error. Today we are going to compute the example related with interest on capital error. So rectification of error, there is second type of example, interest on capital. First example, friends, X, Y and Z are partners of a firm. Their capital rupees 40,000, 30,000 and 80,000 respectively. At the end of year, after distributing the profit, it was found that 8% interest on capital was missed out or not calculated. Give an entry to rectify the error. So here is problem of interest on capital. So in board exam you have write only two things, difference and journal. So find out the difference. You have to first calculate the interest on capital. Partner's capital was X, capital was rupees 40,000. So interest on capital calculation is given below. Here 40,000 into 8 by 100, 3,200. Y's capital is 30,000. So 30,000 into 8 by 100, 2,400. And 80,000 into 8 by 100, 6,400. So interest on capital is income for the partner. So you have credited it. And interest of capital is loss of the firm. So loss will be distributed in profit and loss ratio, friends. And here profit and loss ratio is not given. So according to 1932 Partnership Act, you have to distribute the loss of interest in profit and loss ratio equally. So 1:1. So total loss is 3,200 plus 2,400 plus 6,400. Loss of interest 32, 24 plus 6,400 is equal to 12,000. And 12,000 loss is distributed 1/1 equally between all three partners. 12,000 into 1 by 3. So each partner loss is rupees 4,000, 4,000, 4,000. Now deduct 3,200 minus 4,000. So it comes minus 800. 2,400 minus 4,000 minus 1,600. 6,400 minus 4,000 and plus 2,400. In last example also, I have cleared that if difference is negative, the amount is debited to partner's current or capital account. And difference is plus or positive, it is credited to partner's capital or current account. So X have minus, Y have minus. So X current or capital account debit rupees 800. Y's current or capital account debit rupees 1,600. And Z's current or capital account rupees 2,400. So friends, here calculation is given below the example. You can also write down the calculation at the first term example also. But in board exam, marking is for only these two tables, the different table and journal. Calculation doesn't have any marks. So you have to it is advisable to write the calculation. So same way, the second example, friends, Ram, Rahim and Isu. This example is also given in your notebook, but amount is changed. So at home, try to solve this example, Ram, Rahim and Isu. See your books, textbook. In this textbook, this example is given. Ram, Rahim and Isu are partners of a firm, and their capital on 1st April 2020 are 30,000, 20,000, 25,000. After the distribution of profit, it was found that 6% interest on capital is not calculated. Give an entry to rectify the error. So you can also write down calculation first. So calculation, interest on capital 30,000 into 6 by 100, 1800. Rahim 20,000 into 6 by 100, 1200, and 25,000 into 6 by 100, 1500. So total interest on capital is rupees 4,400, 4,500. 4,500 is income for the partner, but it is same way also loss for the firm. So loss is distributed as per profit and loss ratio of the partner. Here also profit and loss ratio is not given, so it is distributed equally according to 1932 Act. So 4,500 each partner loss, 4,500 into 1 by 3 each partner loss is. So this calculation here doesn't carry any marks to you. In board exam, marking starting from this point, difference. So prepare table, particular, Ram, Rahim and Isu. Interest on capital, income for the partner, so it is credited. So income of partner 1,800, 1,200 and 1,500. And each partner loss, according to 1932 Act, equally 1,500, 1,500 and 1,500. So 1,800 minus 1,500 is come plus 300, 1,200 minus 1,500 minus 300 and 1,500. So no need to make any entry in the book of Isu. So once again remember, in rectification of error, when difference come negative, amount debited, and difference come positive, amount is credited. So Ram plus 300, to Ram's capital account 300 credit, and Rahim's capital account debit 300. So Rahim's capital or current account AR is 300, to Ram's current or capital account. Same difference. These two types of example are given in your homework. Try it, and if any problem arises, please call me immediately. So these two examples you have to write down at home. Try yourself, practice. Once again I say that practice makes man perfect. Do this example. Thank you.